Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, July 9th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Holy Cross Health unveils John and Helene Ayers Rehabilitation Center. Holy Cross Health recently unveiled the John and Helene Ayers Rehabilitation Center, the only facility in Broward County offering unique therapies to help patients improve mobility and balance. The center, previously known as the Outpatient Rehabilitation Center, underwent a complete renovation and received state-of-the-art equipment thanks to a $2 million gift from John and Helene Ayers. The center provides expert care in physical, occupational, and speech therapy for patients recovering from various conditions. The facility is equipped with innovative equipment such as the BalanceQuest TRV chair, C-Mill balance and gait treadmill, and the MyoCycle Pro stationary bicycle. For more information on Holy Cross Health's outpatient rehabilitation services, visit their website. Biomed News Breaks: Why HeartBeam Inc. NASDAQ beat is one to watch. HeartBeam, a medical technology company traded on the NASDAQ under the symbol BEAT, is developing an innovative solution for at-home detection and monitoring of cardiac conditions. Their goal is to revolutionize cardiac care by enabling early detection, proactive monitoring, and informed clinical decisions outside of traditional medical settings. With a patented approach that offers accuracy comparable to conventional 12-lead ECGs for arrhythmia detection, HeartBeam is also paving the way for future capabilities in ischemia detection, AI-assisted analysis, and longitudinal cardiac trend tracking. As the company gears up for commercialization, it is implementing a multi-phase go-to-market strategy starting with a U.S. rollout and a focus on high-margin, recurring revenue streams. To learn more about HeartBeam and their groundbreaking technology, visit their website at www.heartbeam.com.
Integrated Pain Associates announces partnership with Lubbock Spine Institute. Integrated Pain Associates, a Triton Pacific Healthcare Partners portfolio company, has announced a partnership with Lubbock Spine Institute, a leading provider of interventional spine and pain management services in West Texas. With 21 physicians and advanced practice providers, IPA expands its reach to Lubbock, Midland, and Amarillo TX. Patients will benefit from minimally invasive procedures targeting the root causes of pain. Dr. Scott Irvine, president of IPA, highlighted the shift towards better outcomes through minimally invasive procedures. The partnership aims to drive clinical excellence and provide best-in-class care. Terms of the transaction were not disclosed. Florac and Star Mountain were significant investors. IPA focuses on expanding access to care in underserved markets, reducing reliance on opioids, and lowering overall costs of care. Lindora, leader in wellness solutions, debuts first Texas location in Dallas. Lindora, a leader in wellness solutions, has opened its first Texas location in Dallas, marking its entry into the Texas market. The new studio at 6060 Forest LN, Suite 890, offers weight loss services, nutritional guidance, wellness shots, hormone replacement therapy, and more. Lindora Preston Forest is open Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. To celebrate the opening, there is a 25% lifetime membership discount available until June 21st, or until the first 150 memberships are sold. The studio will host a grand opening celebration on June 21st with complimentary B12 shots, wellness demonstrations, and studio tours. Co-owners Beth Hanshin and Shweta Chadha are excited to bring Lindora's wellness approach to Texas for the first time, providing personalized, medically guided solutions for better health and long-term vitality.
Q&A with Saad Alam, founder of Hone Health. Saad Alam, the co-founder and CEO of Hone Health, is on a mission to redefine primary care with a focus on longevity. By utilizing real diagnostics and physician-guided care, Hone Health empowers individuals to take control of their health span. Alam's personal health journey inspired the creation of Hone, aiming to provide accessible, proactive care for aging men and women. Hone challenges the current healthcare system by focusing on preventative care through at-home diagnostics and personalized continuous care. Alam believes that in the next decade, health span medicine will replace primary care, and Hone is positioning itself at the forefront of this evolution by creating a scalable model for preventive, AI-augmented, physician-led care. Stay tuned for Saad Alam's upcoming video series, offering a behind-the-scenes look at his journey as a CEO and founder, integrating health optimization into his daily life. Investor news breaks. Quantum BioPharma Ltd, QNTM, submits MS drug candidate to UK ILAP program. Quantum BioPharma Ltd has submitted its MS drug candidate Lucid 21302 to the UK's ILAP passport program. This program aims to expedite access to innovative treatments by streamlining drug development and approval processes. Lucid MS is a first-in-class therapy targeting demyelination in multiple sclerosis, supporting Quantum's global strategy for clinical advancement. Quantum BioPharma is dedicated to developing innovative assets for challenging disorders, with a focus on neurodegenerative and metabolic disorders. Through its subsidiary, Lucid Psycheceuticals Inc., Quantum is researching Lucid MS, a patented compound shown to prevent and reverse myelin degradation in preclinical models. For more information, visit Quantum BioPharma's newsroom. Investor news breaks. Calidi Biotherapeutics Inc., NYS Ameri, featured an editorial highlighting breakthrough genetic medicine platform. Calidi Biotherapeutics Inc., listed on the NYSE American under the ticker symbol CLDI, was recently featured in a Network Newswire editorial highlighting its breakthrough genetic medicine platform. The company's precision genetic medicine platform targets both primary and metastatic cancer tumors using engineered viruses. With global cancer diagnoses projected to reach 35 million annually by 2050, Calidi's approach could address critical unmet needs in cancer treatment. By delivering potent genetic therapies directly to cancer sites, Calidi offers a novel and potentially disruptive solution in the fight against cancer. To learn more about Calidi Biotherapeutics, visit their website at www.calidibio.com.
Tiny Gems breaks. Quantum BioPharma Ltd, NTM, submits MS drug candidate to UK ILAP program. Quantum BioPharma, NASDAQ, has submitted its MS drug candidate Lucid 21302 to the UK's ILAP program. The program aims to accelerate access to innovative treatments by streamlining drug development and approval. Lucid MS targets demyelination in MS, supporting Quantum's global strategy for clinical advancement. Quantum BioPharma is dedicated to developing innovative assets for challenging disorders. Through its subsidiary, Lucid Psycheceuticals Inc., Quantum focuses on research and development of Lucid MS, a patented compound for multiple sclerosis. For more information, visit Quantum BioPharma's newsroom at ibn.fm/QNTM.
Tiny Gems breaks. Calidi Biotherapeutics Inc., NYS American, CLDI, featured an editorial highlighting breakthrough genetic medicine platform. Calidi Biotherapeutics Inc., trading on the NYSE American under the symbol CLDI, has been featured in a recent editorial by Tiny Gems Breaks. The editorial highlights Calidi's precision genetic medicine platform, which targets both primary and metastatic cancer tumors using engineered viruses. With global cancer diagnoses expected to reach 35 million annually by 2050, Calidi's approach represents a potential breakthrough in addressing critical unmet needs. The company's platform aims to deliver potent genetic therapies directly to cancer sites, offering a novel and potentially disruptive solution in the fight against cancer. Calidi Biotherapeutics is a clinical-stage immuno-oncology company with proprietary technology designed to arm the immune system to fight cancer. For more information, visit www.calidibio.com. Preclinical study finds a way to reverse symptoms of Parkinson's in mice. University of Sydney researchers have successfully targeted a malfunctioning protein in mice with Parkinson's symptoms, improving motor function. This breakthrough could lead to new treatments for humans. Companies like Clean Ink CLNN are following this development closely. For more information on Clean Ink CLNN, visit the company's newsroom. BioMedWire is a specialized communications platform focusing on biotechnology, biomedical sciences, and life sciences sectors, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communication solutions. For SMS alerts from BioMedWire, text Biotech to 888-902-4192. For more details, visit the BioMedWire website for terms of use and disclaimers.
AI assistance boosts consistency, accuracy during analysis of skin cancer tissue. Researchers at Karolinska Institute, in collaboration with Yale University, found that artificial intelligence improves the analysis of skin cancer tissue samples, enhancing reliability and patient outcome understanding. AI's effectiveness extends beyond pathology, as seen in its widespread use by companies like Thumbs Up Media Corp, NASDAQ, in marketing. AI's impact continues to grow in various industries, offering consistent and accurate insights.
Tiny Gems Breaks, Calidi Biotherapeutics Inc. and American, CLDI, featured an editorial highlighting breakthrough genetic medicine platform. Calidi Biotherapeutics Inc., traded on the NYSE American under the symbol CLDI, has been featured in a recent editorial by Tiny Gems Breaks. The editorial highlights Calidi's precision genetic medicine platform, which targets primary and metastatic cancer tumors using engineered viruses, with the global cancer diagnoses expected to reach 35 million annually by 2050. Calidi's approach could be a breakthrough in addressing critical unmet needs. The company's platform aims to deliver potent genetic therapies directly to cancer sites, offering a novel and potentially disruptive solution in the fight against cancer. Calidi Biotherapeutics is a clinical-stage immuno-oncology company headquartered in San Diego, California, with proprietary technology designed to arm the immune system to fight cancer. For more information, visit w.calidibio.com. Tiny Gems Breaks, Quantum BioPharma Limited, NANTM, submits MS drug candidate to UK ILAP program. Quantum BioPharma, NAFNTM, has submitted its multiple sclerosis drug candidate, Lucid 21302, to the UK's ILAP Passport program. Lucid MS targets demyelination in MS and aims to accelerate access to innovative treatments. The submission aligns with Quantum's global strategy to advance clinical development and patient access through regulatory pathways. Lucid MS is a first-in-class therapy designed to address the underlying mechanism of multiple sclerosis. For more information, visit Quantum BioPharma's newsroom.
Investor News Breaks 51 Labs Inc., OTC Corp., and UAV Corp. launches bold AI-driven strategy to reach $50 million valuation and target NASDAQ uplisting. 51 Labs Inc. and UAV have launched a strategic game plan to achieve a $50 million valuation and uplist to the OTCQ by Q1 2026, with plans for a NASDAQ capital market listing. FIDI, backed by a $350,000 insider investment, is advancing 51 AI Labs LLC with a $1 million R&D initiative to discover repurposed treatments by May 2026. The company will launch a digital platform by July 31st, 2025, pursue biotech acquisitions, and host a Q3 2025 shareholder event. With a leadership team including Nobel laureate Dr. James Orbinski and NFL veteran Brandon Spikes, FIDI aims to disrupt the functional medicine market and expand into personalized AI-powered healthcare solutions.
Plexa closes $4.5 million funding extension. Plexa, a medtech startup, has closed a $4.5 million funding extension round to support the U.S. launch of their Bloom medical device for breast surgery. The device uses supraphysiological preconditioning to reduce complications like infection and skin.
NRx Pharmaceuticals Inc., NASDAQ NRXP, subsidiary to acquire 49% stake in prominent Florida neuropsychiatry clinic. NRx Pharmaceuticals Inc., a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company, is set to acquire a 49% stake in Cohen & Associates, a prominent neuropsychiatry clinic in Florida. This acquisition by NRx's subsidiary, Hope Therapeutics, is expected to boost revenue and EBITDA immediately. Cohen and Associates, led by Dr. Rebecca Cohen, specializes in treatments like ketamine and TMS for mood disorders, PTSD, and suicidal depression in the Sarasota-Bradenton area. Hope Therapeutics aims to expand to 30 clinics with a $100 million run rate by 2025. This move positions Cohen as a key clinic in Hope's growing network, solidifying its presence in the region.
New study on NovaVision's Neuro Eye Coach shows significant benefits for patients in home or clinic setting. Vicor Medical, Inc. announced a new study on NovaVision's Neuro Eye Coach training program, showcasing significant benefits for patients in both home and clinic settings. The study, published in Experimental Brain Research, demonstrated substantial improvements in visual search performance and reduction in visual disability. Neuro Eye Coach showed 87% improvements in search time, and 80% of patients made fewer errors. The study compared 95 patients using the therapy at home and 31 patients attending a clinic in Verona, showing no significant differences in outcomes between the two settings. The study concluded that Neuro Eye Coach is effective for vision loss rehabilitation in both clinical and home settings, offering low-cost delivery for wide access.
Image Protect Inc., OTC IMTL, shares strategic growth vision and long-term revenue objectives, centered on Intercept CS cold sore prevention system. Image Protect Inc. is focused on its Intercept CS cold sore prevention system, a Class II medical device approved by Health Canada. With no other thermal therapy devices approved for this use, Intercept CS targets the prevention of cold sores during the prodrome stage. The global market opportunity for cold sore prevention is significant, with an estimated annual market size exceeding $3.5 billion. Image Protect is expanding sales channels to make Intercept CS accessible through direct-to-consumer and third-party platforms, including Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. The company aims to reach up to $100 million in annual revenue within the next 5 years, driven by device sales and recurring thermal activator purchases. With a diverse marketing strategy in place, Image Protect is positioning Intercept CS as a leading wellness brand in the personal health space. Dr. Amy Holdegay Weinstein, MD, MPH, FACOG, named 2025 Castle Connolly Top Doctor. Dr. Amy Holdegay, MD, MPH, FAG, has been named a 2025 Castle Connolly Top Doctor, recognizing her as a leader in integrative women's health. This prestigious distinction is awarded to only about 7% of licensed physicians in the U.S. each year. Dr. Gay Weinstein is the founder of Visionary Women's Health, offering a holistic approach to women's health care. She specializes in treating root causes of gynecologic conditions and provides concierge care. Trained in functional medicine and a fellow of the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, Dr. Gay Weinstein plans to expand her mission by opening healing centers nationwide and internationally. Castle Connolly Top Doctors are selected based on expertise, outcomes, and patient care, with nominations coming from peers in the medical community. Benova mouth rinse study demonstrates 17% reduction in inflammatory marker TNF-alpha within 2 minutes. Results from a study conducted at the University of Alabama Capstone College of Nursing show that the Benova mouth rinse system reduces levels of tumor necrosis factor alpha, TNF-A, by 17% within just 2 minutes of application. This study, presented by Daniel J. Gibson, Ph.D. at the 2025 Diabetic Limb Salvage Conference, focuses on inflammation and bacterial biofilms. TNF-A is frequently responsible for driving immunological responses such as inflammation, cell damage, and cell death. The Benova mouth rinse system offers fast-acting anti-inflammatory relief without the use of lidocaine, steroids, or prescription medications. Co-founder Bill Kling believes the laboratory study results and anecdotal patient comments are correlated with users reporting quick pain relief and healing from oral ulcers. Benova's innovative products are designed to improve quality of life for patients facing a range of conditions, providing fast relief without numbing agents or prescriptions. Water and sanitation access shapes cholera burden in low- and middle-income countries. A new study evaluated the impact of water, sanitation, and hygiene on cholera in 89 low- and middle-income countries. Certain improved wash facilities showed protective effects against cholera, while unimproved facilities had harmful effects. The Global Task Force on Cholera Control aims to reduce cholera-related deaths by 90% by 2030. Regional disparities in wash access contribute to unequal cholera burden, with sub-Saharan Africa being particularly affected. The study emphasizes the need to increase access to safe wash to effectively prevent and control cholera globally.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.